Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the few things that actually the current Fiverr sellers or someone who just created their profile, they are actually missing these points. Okay, so the first thing is that whenever you create your account on Fiverr, Fiverr actually allows you to add 7 gigs, but you guys are adding only 1 or 2 or maybe 3 gigs. I don't know what's the reason for that, because if Fiverr is allowing you to add 7 gigs, then add 7 gigs. Okay, people can say that I do have only one skill, how I can add the other gigs because I don't have those skills. But here's the answer for that. If you are providing services, let's suppose for the logo designing, what you can do, you can create a 1 gig that is going to be your best gig regarding the overall logo designing. Okay, so whenever someone just type in logo designing or something, you are expecting that your service will show up and they will place the order, or at least will message you and talk with you regarding their project. But what you can do is for the remaining 6 gigs, you can add the industry specific wise gigs. Okay, you can add the travel logo designing gigs, you can add the restaurants or food logo designing gigs, you can add the services like bookkeeping, accounting, tax, or any other services, the services segment logo designing. So this way you can add the 7 gigs. So what it's gonna do, it's actually gonna improve your impression rate, improve your profile click-through rate, and your different profiles, your different gigs will be shown on different keywords. So that's how people will see the impressions will gonna go up, clicks gonna go up into overall your profile, and then your gigs gonna rank. This is the first thing that you need to this was just an example that you should use the maximum options that Fiverr is providing you, or any other platform. If they are asking you to add 3 images, you should add 3 images. If they are asking you to write your descriptions around 1200 characters, you should write at least 1200 or near to 1200. Okay, because they're allowing you, and this is the other subject matter, that how that should be written, what keywords should be added. But the important point is that do not miss any options. This is the first thing. The second thing is that, which is actually regarding to the gigs, but that is really important, which is that whenever people are going to create gigs on Fiverr, they actually add the image where there's a lot of text and no one is going to see what is written on that. Okay, some people have added a lot of logos and all that kind of stuff, but I recommend you to just create the overall design for your brand, for your profile. Okay, like I did for my profile. So what you can do is so that whenever someone comes to your shop, they see, okay, the shop is looking so good, so that's gonna be the first impression. Okay, so you need to set up a format or design or something, your branding, colors and all that kind of stuff, so that you can just professionally create all your gigs. This is the second thing. The third thing is that the communication. Okay, so one thing always keep in mind, if you get a message from your customer and they have just written down one questions, or their question is in 1 line or 2 line, do not reply with paragraphs and paragraphs, because if someone has asked you to, can you help me with like travel logo designing, your answer should be the minimum, yes, I am available to help, I need the following details, but that should be under 3 to 4 lines. Okay, because if someone's reading or writing caliber is only 1 or 2 lines and they are not going to spend much time on writing or reading, then you should consider that. If someone is asking you a question in 2 lines, try to reply in 2 or 3 lines, or maximum in 4 lines, but do not write paragraphs and all that kind of stuff. So the first thing that what you need to do is to add all the gigs, utilize all the options that you have on your gigs. Do not miss FAQs, do not add only 1 image, do not short description, no, do not add that, and all these things. The second thing is to create a format or design of your overall profile. So if someone comes to your shop, they can see, okay, yeah, it's the professional shop, this guy is providing the services professionally, because that's going to be your first look, okay? And the third thing is that always improve your communication. I am always telling freelancers to improve their communication, because the one message can get you the business and one message can get you out of the business, okay? This is very clear. So because if someone just come try to get the services on Fiverr, you're not the you or me, not the only one who they are messaging. They are messaging to 15 or 16, because clients has told me, or at least 4 to 5 people. So in that situation, you have to be the best. So whenever they read your message, they saw your message, that should be short, compact, concise, and all that. But if someone has written 2 paragraphs of their queries and all that, queries and all that kind of stuff, then you should reply with the paragraphs, because if you reply with a short reply, they'll consider that you haven't, if you reply a short reply, they'll consider that you haven't spent much time of reading it, and you are just not taking it seriously and just typing in and just sending out. So always consider the buyer psychology, that what they're writing, what their reading capabilities or a reading caliber could be. So reply according to that. So the communication, adding all gigs, and creating a format and design of your gig. And the last point, which is really very important, okay? If you are really want to go long in this game, okay? If you really want to earn money, you want to create opportunities for others, then do not fight with anyone. Even if someone just do a thing which you think that is not right, do not misbehave, okay? Talk with the customer support and all that kind of stuff, and always avoid the cancellation of order, okay? Never ever cancel your order, because that's gonna really impact your gig, okay? So I always recommend people that first provide the services. Once your client is satisfied, then charge them. And I'm telling you, 99.9% people are gonna pay you. So these are the things which you guys should always keep in your mind. If you guys have any question regarding any of these or any other thing regarding freelancing and all that kind of stuff, just comment down below, and I'll be really happy to help you as much as I can. So thank you so much for your time, and do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.